We write quite a bit on trust and will litigation issues, and if you look at our website and you look at our blog, you'll see that we're constantly posting information about trust and will litigation. We really have a passion for this area of the law. And every now and again, I'll write about a case that comes out that's interesting or perhaps even groundbreaking in the world of trust and will litigation. And I did that just a couple months back on a case called Estate of Geralden. And on Estate of Geralden, it was an interesting case because you had somebody who actually created a trust. It was a father. He created a trust while he was still alive. And then as time went on, he actually had his son become trustee of that trust. But the father also invested in the son's company. So you have money coming out of the trust into the son's company. Now, as time went on, the father passed away and he left his estate to his children. The only downside is the company that he invested in had gone down in value. It actually had gone out of business. And so his estate wasn't worth what it once used to be. And you can imagine that the other children, the ones who weren't in on the investment, were not too happy about that. And so they sued, of course. And ultimately, it went up to the appellate court, and the appellate court decided that during this time frame, while the settlor was still alive, the father who created the trust, while he was still alive, the children could not come back and get an accounting for this period. And the father was directing the trustee on the investment. So the trustee could not be held liable for that investment because he was doing what the father told him to do. That's the way the court saw it. And you can see this post on our blog. The interesting thing is that after I posted this blog, I actually got a call from one of the Geralden children. And he actually called up and told me that this is my case, this is my family that you wrote about. And so that's always a gratifying experience to actually be able to put a face and a name behind this appellate court decision, because usually you don't get to see the people that are behind it. And it's an exciting thing to be able to connect with people in that way.